Yoga? Really? No way, Andrew. Hey, coming back at you. 2-minute health hack, health and fitness hack this time. I'm Andrew, Top Fitness Strategies, the face who runs the place. Yes, you caught me in my gym. Just got done with the yoga workout. And if you can hear me, it means I have a little setup here. I got this microphone right here. You can hear it in the microphone. Because occasionally, if you're new to this channel, I do some stuff here, recording stuff here, okay? Yoga workouts. Yes, I know all you macho guys out there. Yoga, that's for sissies. Really? I can put you through a yoga workout and you'll be crying for your mama at the end of it. Absolutely. Don't poo-poo yoga off. Yoga is a tough workout. And believe it or not, it can be a strength workout. It can be a stretching workout. It can be a cardio workout. Yoga is multifaceted, believe it or not. I highly, highly, highly encourage you to take a yoga class or do yoga type workouts. Do it if you're a regular workout guy, especially guys, or regular workout person. Incorporate yoga somewhere in your routine once, twice, 3 times a week. Heck, do all your workouts yoga style. I will never tell you not to do yoga. It's a great workout. Okay, so that's my tip this time. Yoga workouts are amazing. Go for it. All right. Andrew here, Top Fitness Strategies, 2-minute fitness and health hacks. I am the face who runs the place. Ciao.